All right, strong start to the day here in Chicago. Strong start to the markets as well, up about 1% across the board. Adding to those gains we saw yesterday where we had the Dow up 2%, S&Ps up about 1.5%. Again, a lot of positive sentiment right now around reopening of the economy, lifting of the lockdown measures, getting some positive sentiment overseas as well with reopening of European economies. Seem to be shrugging off at the moment some of the negative news we have coming out of China, in particular with Hong Kong. So rising tensions there, but at the moment not having much of an impact on these markets. Had the European Union come out this morning, 750 billion euro stimulus package to fight off some of the impact that we're seeing from the COVID-19 pandemic. So some big news on that front. When you look at the markets, or some of the other markets, take a look at currencies. Weaker dollar right now, particular strength in the euro, back up about above 1.10. So keep an eye on that pair today, in particular with this news coming out this morning around the stimulus package. Look over at the commodity market, seeing a little bit of weakness in gold this morning, also seeing some weakness in oil. Got oil down about 1.5% right now. We're back below $34 a barrel in WTI. So again, we got a lot of stuff coming out, a lot of news breaking this morning, and markets seem to be taking it in stride, but we'll see what happens as the day continues. I'll check in with you guys again tomorrow. Check in with us on Facebook and Twitter. Hope everybody has a great day. Stay safe, stay healthy, take care.